Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make concepts in studies. First, begin by clearly defining the core concept you are studying. This involves identifying all key terms and understanding their precise meanings. Next, break down any complex ideas into smaller, more manageable components. This foundational step ensures a solid understanding before moving forward, helping you grasp the essence of the subject matter effectively and efficiently. Once you have a clear definition, visualize your understanding. Concept maps are excellent tools for illustrating relationships between ideas, using nodes and connecting lines. For sequential processes, diagrams and flowcharts can provide a clear, step-by-step representation. Consider using color coding to categorize related information, which can significantly enhance recall and comprehension. Visual aids make abstract concepts more concrete and easier to remember. Active learning is crucial for solidifying concepts. Try explaining the concept in your own words to a friend or even to yourself. This process reveals gaps in your understanding. Next, apply the concept to real-world scenarios or solve practice problems. For instance, if studying physics, work through several numerical examples. This hands-on application reinforces learning and deepens your conceptual grasp significantly. Finally, consistent review and refinement are key to long-term retention. Regularly revisit your concept maps and notes, perhaps once every 2 or 3 days initially. Actively identify any areas where your understanding feels weak or incomplete. Don't hesitate to seek feedback from instructors or peers. This iterative process of review, identification, and refinement ensures your conceptual knowledge remains robust and accurate over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.